Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Karina, and I'm a grade 4 student at Pondok Ranggon 01 Elementary School. I used to be a shy girl who didn't know what to do when someone got hurt, but everything changed when I joined PMR, the Youth Red Cross at my school. It all started when my teacher, Miss Siska, talked to us during our morning assembly. She said, PMR teach you how to help others, stay healthy, and be a little heroes. That day, I went home and told my mom, I want to join PMR. My first day in PMR was so exciting. We got to wear a green scarf, and our leader, Kak Rido, told us we were now part of the Junior Red Cross family. He taught us about the 7 principles of the Red Cross. 1. Humanity. 2. Neutrality. 3. Independence. 4. Voluntary service. 5. Unity. 6. Universality. And finally 7. Impartiality. At first, I didn't understand all of them. But I know one thing. PMR is about being kind. One of my favorite parts of PMR was learning first aid. We learned how to clean small wounds, put on bandage, and help someone with a nosebleed. One day, my friend Kairani fainted during the flag ceremony. Thanks to PMR, I know exactly what to do. I helped loosen her shirt, raise her legs, and told the teacher, I feel like a real helper. In PMR, we also learn about clean and healthy living. Kak Rido reminds us to wash our hands with soap. Drink enough water. Eat fruits and vegetables. Also, keep our school and home clean. Even so, we are too young to donate blood. Kak Rido reminds us how blood donation can save people's lives. PMR members help during blood drives by giving out flyers and helping people feel calm. Now, I always remind my parents to donate blood when they can. PMR isn't just about serious stuff. We also play games, do role plays, go camping, and sometimes visit other schools. I have made so many friends. We laugh, sing, and help each other. One of the best moments was when we had a mock disaster drill. Now, I feel like I have changed. I am more confident, I help others, and I care more about people around me. PMR taught me that even a small kid like me can make a big difference. I'm proud to be part of the PMR. It's not just an after-school club. For me, PMR is about kindness, courage, and helping others. And the best part, I know I'm ready to help anytime, anywhere. That's the end of my journey with PMR. It's been a wonderful adventure where I have learned how to help others, stay healthy, and be a better person. I have made a great friends, and together we have learned how to make the world a better place. So, I encourage all of you to be like a little heroes too. You don't need superpowers, just a caring heart and willingness to help. Even small acts of kindness can make a big difference. Thank you for listening. Remember, heroes are made of kindness. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye. See you.